Welcome to Cord's Kitchen. Today I'm making a mushroom masala with a slight difference. I think you will like it. It's slightly different. I just put some oil. It's quite hot now. Let the mustard pop. And the cumin. Curry leaves and the chilies. Almost done. Adding the chopped onions, finely chopped onions. You can even make a paste. Onions have to be done golden brown. That's the Indian masala. The essence of Punjabi masala is golden brown onions, not pink, not yellow, but really brown. Adding the ginger garlic paste. I like to add the turmeric here and the red chili powder because it gives a very nice color to the masala. Mind you, this chili powder is South Indian chili powder, not Kashmiri lal mirch, and it is pretty strong. So you have to be careful of what you're using. If you can take the spice, then you can use this. As you can see, the masala is now nice and golden. I'm going to add the peppers. You can add green capsicum, but I like color in my food, so I'm adding red and yellow peppers. Peppers go well with mushrooms. See how nice they look and colorful. You can add the masalas now. Garam masala, jeera powder, coriander powder. More of coriander powder actually. It's time to add the mushrooms. Stir well so that the masala is nicely coated onto the mushroom and the peppers. Now that you've put everything, you can cover it and let it simmer for some time. 5 minutes maybe, till the mushrooms are done. You can add the tomato puree now. Add the tomato puree and salt. Let it cook again till the masala is nicely done and coats the vegetables, the mushroom and the peppers. As you can see, it's almost done. The peppers are done, the mushrooms are done. I'm going to cover it again so that it's nicely coated. The gravy is done. The vegetables are cooked. Now there's a twist to this recipe. I'm adding a big blob of butter. It's tadka. Once the butter is hot, I'm going to add garlic cloves. You don't have to roast the garlic cloves. They can just stay white. The curry leaves and the green chilies. You can see I'm just frying them a little till the aroma of the garlic is out. It's almost done. There's a nice aroma coming now. If you want, you can add a little water to the vegetables if you want it like a gravy, and you can serve it with roti, naan, bread, or like us South Indians, we would eat it with rice. We eat anything with rice. Pouring it now over the curry. I can smell a wonderful smell. Now what's left? A squeeze of lime. Makes it more tangy and nice. Some pepper which you can add even in the tadka, but it becomes really very smoky and strong. And to top it, cilantro, fresh cilantro. I'm going to plate it now. Not plate it actually, serve it. You'll see many recipes of mine having mushroom. As you can see, my dish is ready. Just some slightly fried peppers on top with some cilantro. And here, masala mushroom is ready. A masala mushroom curry with a twist where we add the garlic tadka to it. So goodbye for now, and do try out this mushroom masala with a twist, and I hope you like it. Ciao for now. This is goodbye from Kaur's Kitchen. Until next time.